Hello everyone, I'm from Netsol Solutions. Do you know what happens if a wastewater treatment plant is overloaded? Today, we'll discuss about the same issue. That is, what are the causes of wastewater treatment plant overloading? A plant operator can identify if the wastewater treatment plant is overloaded, and this overloading can cost you a lot of money, which is why it's critical to have effective controls in place to evaluate and analyze your data consistently from the wastewater treatment plants. But how will you get to know that your wastewater treatment system is overloaded? I'll tell you some signs which include too high or too low pH, low dissolved oxygen or DO level, and high biological oxygen demand or BOD levels. Let me go straight to causes of wastewater treatment plant overloading. The first cause is that the plant production changes or new procedures are being introduced into the systems. Another cause may be because of the old technology and aging equipment or controls that are insufficient. If the industrial facility is connected to the public sewer system, it might also cause overloading. If there is increase in the factory's production and the volume or concentration of effluent is high, it may also cause system to overload. If there is any increase in the quantity of organic chemicals, it might also cause overloading issues in the wastewater treatment plants. It's also possible that a rise in bacteria in the sludge is causing the sedimentation characteristics change in the sedimentation tank so that it worsens, causing system overload. There are high chances of system failure if the signs and symptoms of an overloaded wastewater treatment system are neglected or overlooked. If you're not sure which option is best for your facility, Water Solutions would be pleased to help. We will provide solutions as per the problem in the wastewater treatment facility, be it increasing flow or increase in the oxygen level or high concentration of organic matter, etc. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for latest updates and issues regarding your wastewater treatment plant. Feel free to contact us anytime as we are available 24/7. Thank you so much.